So, so today we have. So my name is Vishal. I'm the founder of Learning While Traveling, and we do this startup session every Friday to encourage budding entrepreneur to share their stories with the rest of the world. And today we have our guest as Ravi Kiran. So Ravi Kiran, please tell us about your how you started this and what motivated you. What like day zero, what happened?
Yeah, hi sir, hi everyone. I'm Ravi Kiran, now a student of class 12, and I like innovating and I have innovated a device. You?
Please continue. Yeah, please
Yeah,
continue. Please continue. I think please everyone else, please stay on mute. You can always ask question when you want. Yeah. Okay, Ravi, please.
yeah, okay. So, from my seventh class, I have very interest in innovating. So, I have came up with few innovations that are already existing. So, finally, now I am with a new innovation that I'm trying to bring it in the market. So let me share my screen. Yeah, so this is my device. The device is actually the device. It's a spectacle type of device for the blind people. They can walk, read, and recognize with this device. So now I have recently started this startup, and it's not completely registered till now. I'm just working on it. And the startup is Alien Innovations, where imaginations becomes reality. So the problem, what I how identified is they can't read, they can't interact effectively, and they can't recognize the people. So we just worked on this problem. Like from my seventh, I just told from my seventh class, I have been working on few projects. So uh, I started this device in 2019 when I was in 10th class. And we have come up with a few problems like the first stage of this device was just navigation thing. It solved only the navigation part. We just fixed three sensors, three sides, and it solved the problem of navigation, like giving directions to go obstacle-free sides. Then we have presented this device in few places like IIT Guwahati and Pune. So there we got some suggestions, like they told to do some research. So we just went on some research from Google and also from our mentors and all. Then we came to know that not only the problem that blind people suffer is walking, but also they can't read and they can't recognize. So we just worked on these two problems also. We added these two functions to our device, and the device now is completely solving the problem of the blind people. It's a reading enabler. It can read the text, like English text, whatever is displayed in front of the device. It can easily read and give the output through wireless Bluetooth speakers, and also facial recognition. We have tested with few peoples with more than 24 photos saved in it. So the person who comes, the known person, saved persons who comes in front of the device, it can easily recognize and tell the names. And also, for suppose a blind people is sitting in his hall and someone is knocking the door. So when he opens, he directly get the output like that. If two persons or three persons are in front of the door, the device tells three persons are in front of the door, so that they can easily know three persons, which means they are not a known person, they are outside three persons. So this also helps in facial recognition and navigation. The navigation part was much interesting here. So for suppose on the devices that are existing now are it's a torch, some kind of Sarthi or torch it some device called. When something comes in front of that device, it gives a some kind of beep sound. But what my device do is, if something comes in front of the device, it tells to go left or right. If something is some wall or any obstacle is right or front, then the device tells to go right side, so that the blind people can navigate the obstacle free sides. And it can also we are just adding the but we are just adding the detections like object detections and color detection, so it can become more effective. But the present device doesn't exist any color detection or obstacle detection type of functions. So the first prototype was in 2019, as I told now. Then we worked on this for facial recognition and text reading in the same year in the month of August. Then finally, by the end, I am to say by the January of 2020, we made this device. And this is the first prototype, as I told. The navigation part, this was the first prototype. It can help in three-side navigation. The three sensors are arranged at three sides that can help in three-side obstacle-free navigation. And the second was text reading and facial recognition. But there were some problems, like it sometimes it didn't read some kind of text, or sometimes it was just unable to recognize the face. So we just worked on it. The issue was with the code. Then we just worked on the product. Then finally we made this, and the case, the 3D printer case was also made somewhat lightweight, and to make the to increase the speed of the output, we just added three switches to the three different functions. So this is the product. I would like to show you some videos of the device. She's a government teacher working in Telangana. She's walking the device. One more video that we recorded from another. He is also a government teacher. He's actually both are blind. Both are blind from by the birth. This one. So the present photos of the device are this. And this is the latest one. We just changed the color. A feedback from the people, the person whom I tested, and we have recognized in almost all the social medias locally and also by our mentors. And coming to where we have funded, actually we are not completely funded till now. We have just exhibited this device in IIT Guwahati twice actually. And the second time when we presented the device, we secured the second place in uh, Tech Expo, and also second and third places in Tech Expo and Business Plan in the same year. The event was twice. So coming to my team, I am Ravi, the founder, and she's Teja, the co-founder. That's what about my device.
Sure. Very good presentation. So why did you choose to help the blind people? And I think you are saying 4 or 5 years already you have spent on this. So what happened like 4 years ago? Why? What made you do this?
Yeah, so I started innovating and working on any simple projects in my seventh class. When I came to my eighth class, we got adult tinkering lab in our school. So they every electronics and every materials like 3D printing, drilling machine, and electronics were available there. So I just started tinkering there. I mean, I just started working on few sensors, Arduino boards, and everything. And we were just taught about the sensors, the uses of sensors. Coming to the uses of sensors, they taught us how these sensors are helpful in real life. So we just worked on this sensor, and we came to know that this sensor is already solving the problem of blind people, like one side navigation with a stick, with a sensor on a stick. So we just thought that why can't we put some more sensors and more make the device more visible, so that the people who are still suffering, they can get comfortable, and their lives can be made comfortable. So just we brought the sensors together and worked on it. So as I told, the first prototype was three-side navigation. Then we presented this somewhere and some places. Then we got feedbacks like we have to add some more features, like what they are really suffering. Then we just Google the problems that they are suffering. Then we pointed out the texturing and the face recognition parts. So we just worked on this, and finally when we completed this product, then we just recently 2 months back, I just took this to the blind people. Till I complete this, I didn't take this to the real blind people. After completing this, I just gone for the test, and there I understood that now this device is solving their problem.
Okay, that's good. Anyone else want to ask any question, please?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
please.
Can I ask a question, sir?
Yes, yes.
Sir, I am at present I am working a model for helping this Divyang people, means the people who are handicapped. I have prepared a voice modular wheelchair. So I need information that how you went near the people and how you collected the information, that if one people is blind by birth and some are blind due to some accidents, so how you recognized and how you found that this information, sir?
Yeah, so first we tested this in our lab, like the photos with my friends and my partners, and then we just placed some text in front of the laptop and just tested the device. Then just thought that okay, we can see, we can know that we have placed the text here. We can know that something is or someone is in front of us. Then we just thought, why can't we go to the real blind people and test there, so that they can also give their real feedback. Actually, that are the real and true feedback that we can get. So I just contacted my known people in my own district. The two people, the two persons video whom I just showed now are from my own district, Adilabad. So I just contacted my known persons and told to them, if they know any blind, I have made this device for them. If they know any blind people, please let me know. I just want to test and get my feedback so that I can develop this more. So they just forwarded me these two people contact. I just approached them. Just first I casually went to them with the device with no uh, no thinking of testing at a time. I just showed them. They really felt happy and they told, yeah, I just really want to use it. I want to experience this device because till now we have not seen any device just like a stick. We just used it to get the help from my son or my brothers or someone. But I really want to use this device, they told. So I just made ready for them in 2 or 3 days. Then I just went back to them. They when I just called them, I just told my name and the device. They directly recognized me. So they were just already waiting for me for the device. Then I approached them, told that this works like this. Then they used it and felt happy.
Yes, sir. Then at first you shown an image that one simple glass was there and it was
Yeah, yeah,
three sensors.
yeah.
Then how the idea came that we should make a plastic mold like something, and we should close everything and only it should look somewhat like attractive and all.
Yeah. So complete. Okay. As I'm a student of class 10, I just made the device with the materials that are available in our lab. So I just used the soldering, that the specs were just soldering specs. I just used that as a device and just fixed the sensors and batteries and the boards in it. The wires are just actually hanging out of there. So I just presented there in few exhibitions. Then they told you can make it a better product. They give me suggestions like use a 3D printer. Actually, I don't know what a 3D printer at that time. But when they told, I just Googled it and saw some videos. So I just understood what a 3D printer is, but no practical knowledge. Then I went to T-Works, the prototyping center in Hyderabad. Then they introduced me all technologies like 3D printer and how to use that. So they helped me in designing this my 3D part, the yellow and the gray one. So they helped me in designing this part, and they I have come up with your we can also make these prototypes like products that can actually look good and attractive and also so comfortable to use. So going to any prototyping center or like any good labs will help us in making this type of prototypes to product.
Oh, hello. Excuse me.
Yeah.
I have one question.
Yes.
Hey, what are the safety precautions you have taken, and what are the certificate? Did you apply for any certificate for this product, because you are going to bring this product to market?
Yeah, I have applied for patents.
Patent. Okay. What are the
Yeah,
safety?
it's sir.
What are the safety you have taken?
Safety like for the device or why? I didn't get you clearly.
That means you have the device, no, sir. If suppose if water
Yeah.
springs on, that means somewhat short circuiting and damaging
No,
the.
it's just like a mobile. We have to take care of it. It's just like mobile. Yeah. If you put the mobile in water, it will also don't work.
Okay, okay. So you are going to take this certificate.
Sir.
Certificate for marketing. You are going to, you are applied for certificate.
Yeah, I have applied for patent.
Okay.
Yes.
Sir, then last question, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are studying at present. You are studying at 12th and
12th standard.
yes, sir, and you passed from 10th also. How did you manage the time, sir, in study and
Yeah. Actually, it was difficult. Uh, in ninth class, just there was no pressure on boards. It was ninth class. We just went on some exhibitions. There, we also met this Vishal sir in exhibitions, and also few more entrepreneurs who are almost 30 to 40 ages. I just got inspiration from there. Just not only the knowledge of books and the ranks are important, but if we do something like this, will really give us good experience and everything. So I just decided to put my marks aside, not to go down from the marks, but to give more importance to these things which I am really interested, like innovating and bringing it, solving the problem of the people and just innovating new things and getting experience in new things. So I just decided marks are not much important. Actually, they are important, but not much important for me. Then I have started also managing marks, also managing my studies. Like almost in my 10th class, I only studied with full focus for 3 months before just before my board exams, and I scored well and satisfying marks from my school.
so one more question? When you
Yes.
are displaying this product to the some exhibitions, the school which you are studying, the school is supporting to you, or you are taking your own?
Yeah. Actually, the wonder thing is, I was allowed to use my own laptop and my own mobile in my school. Actually, it's a residential school, Navodaya Vidyalaya, in Hyderabad. There, my principal sir really allowed me to use my own laptop and my own mobile in our lab. I just used it to use the laptop and just do my things and just keep it back in the lab and just go to school and hostel. So the school, actually the school has encouraged me a lot because giving me the all permissions to use every the access to use everything like laptops and all the electronics that are available in the lab. They just use it to give me the keys of the lab so that I can spend more hours. Like almost in my 10th class, I was spent 4 to 5 hours from 3 to almost nearly 8 p.m. in my lab.
So in Navodaya, actually he is also studying in Navodaya, but I saw the timetable from morning 5:30 to till night 10:30. It's full. It is engaged.
Yeah, it's fully engaged.
Yeah, then how you are managed?
The remedials from 3 to 4:30.
3 to 4:30.
After the lunch, I just use it to finish my lunch in 10 to 15 minutes and just run to the lab so that I can spend more time there. Almost from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. I use it to be in the lab.
Okay, okay. Thank you and all the best for your future.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Just last question.
Yeah, yes.
Now I am participating in Taikathan final. So I want prepare this model in 36 hours hackathon, sir.
What is your model actually?
Sir, my model is a voice control wheelchair, sir.
Voice controlled wheelchair for
Handicap.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. For the handicap, yeah. Just to go front, it will go front, yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
okay.
Sir, that what are the suggestions from your side, sir? How I should present it, and what should I do to make some more helpful for people?
Yeah, so yeah, you have really pointed out a good problem and also the good solution. So just make the device more like it should give the output more easily. It should not get stuck in anything so that the people will really suffer there. Because if just it tells to go front and it won't stop when the user tells to stop, it really injure them. So just make the device more accuracy that it can really work really well. And uh, yeah, so you are just connecting the voice some modules to the motors of the wheel. So just make that it can also control the speed. It should be the minimum speed. It should not go very fast or very slow. And the voice recognition, and just put the voice recognition module or the microphone at the correct place so that it can recognize and give the output. Yeah, no idea about the write-ups and all, but just make the model perfect. That's enough. Write-ups can be managed, but the working model should be the best.
Yeah, one more question regarding
Yes.
recognition.
Regarding
Regarding recognition,
yeah,
your product also there is a recognition point is there, no?
yeah,
From each product, recognition also is there. If we say front, and also if I say front, it's a different voice.
no, he might be using the voice recognition module.
Yeah,
It's a voice recognition module.
yeah, the voice is okay, but the different voice, it is working properly. Sometimes it is not working properly. Then how we can manage that voice?
Yeah, just load 5 to 6 samples of the same person in some different voice, like in speed voice, like some slow voice. So like 10, you can almost upload like 5 to 10, like in slow voice, in some different voice of the same person. It's a voice recognition. It will only recognize the voice of that particular person,
Because
which you might have loaded. Yes, sir.
Because some people pronouncing some little bit louder, some people
Yeah.
pronounce little bit slow. So like this, how you manage that?
Yeah, it's a training model. It's called training the model. So for that we have to give some more samples to it. Like on just a one sample really won't work. So just upload 5 to 10 samples so that sometimes even my voice won't be same. The If I pronounce some Ravi and Ravi, this two has some different pitches and sound levels. So use some 5 to 10 audio inputs to the device for training purpose, so that when the pitch or the sound is different, it can easily recognize from the any uploaded 5 to 10 samples.
Sir, don't feel bad, sir. Only just last question.
Yeah, no, it's actually interesting.
Yes, sir. You have made that spectacles, no, sir. How much did it cost actually, sir, for making that?
It almost costs 4 to 5,000 just for making.
Yes, sir. Sir, then if you want to sell it, then how would you manage the price, sir?
Yeah, actually, I have not decided the selling price yet because it's for the blind people for solving their problem. So here I can't go for the profit, and also I can't go for the loss. So I just have to take the advices from my mentors and go for the this decision.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you.
Inder want to ask some questions, please.
तो यार एक्चुअली मुझे सजेशन देना था। मधुसूदन, आप कहाँ से हो?
Sir, I am from Karnataka, Tumkur.
ओके ओके, मैं ये कह रहा था, आर यू कंफर्टेबल इन हिंदी
Yes, sir.
और
Yes,
इंग्लिश विल बेटर?
sorry.
विच वन?
क्या होता है, sir?
ओके, आपने पूछा था ना, ये बताइए आपका जो व्हील चेयर है वो कौन से माइक्रो कंट्रोलर पे वर्क करता है? कंट्रोल यूनिट क्या है उसका, Arduino या फिर कुछ और?
Sir, Arduino Nano है, sir. Rev.
Arduino Nano, ठीक है। Arduino Nano भी यूज कर सकते हैं, मिनी भी यूज कर सकते हैं।
हाँ, sir.
देखिए, जैसे जहाँ पे चेयर रहता है ना, सपोज करो चेयर है,
हाँ,
तो वहां पे एक घड़ी बना दो, ठीक है? फ्रंट में 12 बज रहा है, ठीक है?
yes,
अब
sir.
वॉइस कंट्रोल में अगर आप मतलब कि अगर जो भी हैंडीकैप है वो बोलेगा कि 1 बजे मूव फॉरवर्ड, 1 बजे, या फिर
Yeah.
मूव फॉरवर्ड 1:10, 1:30, मतलब समझ रहे जितना डिग्री एंगल पे उसको घुमाना है व्हील चेयर को उतना घुमा सकते हैं। फॉरवर्ड में भी वही, फॉरवर्ड टू मतलब यू टर्न ले सकते, यू टर्न तो है ही ना, मतलब
6
समझ रहे ना,
o'clock.
जिस भी एंगल में जाना है। सामने 12 बज रहा है, राइट साइड में 1 2 3 4 एंगल आप फॉरवर्ड कर सकते हो, लेफ्ट राइट, ठीक है? इधर 11 10 9, वॉइस कंट्रोल इजिली काम करेगा। सिंपल ही है, बैकवर्ड फॉरवर्ड स्टॉप यू टर्न, यही है ना 90 डिग्री।
हाँ सर, यही है सर। अगर
ओके,
Yeah.
इसमें तो कोई इशू नहीं है।
फॉरवर्ड जाएगा, बैकवर्ड बोलेगा तो बैक जाएगा सर, ऐसा।
हाँ एग्जैक्ट, मतलब लोकेशन के लिए ये यूज कर सकते हो कि सामने, समझ गए ना मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ?
सर थोड़ा
सामने
सा
घड़ी बना लो,
नहीं
नहीं
समझे।
समझे?
नहीं
देखो,
सर।
सपोज करो कोई घड़ी है और जहाँ पे घड़ी का कांटा रहता है ना, जहाँ से कांटा निकला रहता है वहां पे
हाँ,
सपोज करो व्हील चेयर है, ठीक है?
हाँ,
अब सामने 12 बजा हुआ है, फिर थोड़ा राइट में 1, फिर
हाँ,
2, फिर 3, और सीधा मतलब कि तुम्हारे हाथ के राइट हैंड के तरफ में 3 बजेगा, समझ रहे हो?
हाँ सर।
तो फिर 12 से 3 के बीच में जो एंगल है ना उसमें जाना है, तो वो वॉइस कमांड देगा, 1 सेट टू 1 गो टू 1:10, समझ रहे हो? 1:10 जैसे, तो उस
हाँ,
एंगल में चला जाएगा। अगर स्ट्रेट जाना है तो फॉरवर्ड 12।
हाँ,
सिंपली मतलब नैनो इजीली काम करेगा इस पे, एंगल बस सेट कर दो और अपने जो टायर है तुम्हारे,
हाँ,
जो मोटर जो सर्वो यूज कर रहे हो उसमें एंगल सेट कर दो इजीली, मतलब एकदम परफेक्शन के साथ, मतलब 100% एक्यूरेसी रहेगा, इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगा।
तो मतलब घड़ी के जैसा इसको काम करना चाहिए, ऐसा।
हाँ
नहीं,
मतलब कि
घड़ी के जैसा डायरेक्शन, like 12
मतलब वो
o'clock is
इजी होगा।
0 degree,
हाँ,
then 1
देखो
o'clock is 30 degree, like that kind of thing. So it's
30
kind
डिग्री
of
30 डिग्री एड्रेनो नैनो के लिए ठीक है, लेकिन जो यूजर है ना, जो हैंडीकैप है ना, वो 30 डिग्री नहीं समझेगा। तो उसको सीधा बता सकते हो कि देखिए जहां आप बैठे हैं ना, आपके सामने सपोज करिए 12 बज रहा है, आपके
हाँ,
एकदम राइट हैंड के सीधा 90 डिग्री में 3 बज रहा है, लेफ्ट हैंड के सीधा डिग्री में 9 बज रहा है,
हाँ,
समझ रहे? तो आप इसको बोल सकते हैं कि या फिर 9 और 12 के बीच में चलो। अगर वो क्या होता है, 9 और 12 के बीच में क्या होता है, 10 11 12 10:30 होता है,
हाँ सर।
10:30, समझ रहे हो?
हाँ सर।
तो समझाओगे ना, यूजर इजीली समझ जाएगा। और
हाँ,
बाकी तुम बैकएंड में प्रोग्राम कर दो, और प्रोग्राम करने में अगर कोई दिक्कत हो तो विशाल सर से मेरा नंबर ले लो, या मैं छोड़ देता हूँ, मेरे को कॉल कर लेना।
हाँ सर, नंबर बोलो सर।
chat में you can write. Do we have?
ठीक है, मैं तुमको लिख के भेज
Yeah.
दे रहा हूँ अभी कुछ देर बाद,
हाँ.
अभी मैं जस्ट लिख के दे रहा हूँ। ओके, थैंक यू।
Shreyash, you have a question, please?
Yes, my question is to Mr. Ravi.
Yeah, yes.
How does your model work on staircase? I mean, your model has sensors on the 3 sides, but
Yeah.
when a person walks, he can't look down. Na? Means he's not knowing there are stairs in front of him. So how will it sense?
Yeah, so for this also for the staircase and also for some holes like some down staircase and also up staircase, the device really won't work there. We have tried to solve this, but we just have to put some additional sensors there, not to the device, but to some different parts like the stick they use. But actually, it won't make much accuracy if we use some other sensors that is also not that we have to connect to the stick. So we just didn't still get this problem to solve. So just and also the device won't work backside. These two things still we are not we try to solve, but we didn't find any proper solutions. So we just stopped focusing on this for just for present. If future in we get any new knowledge of any new technology that can solve this kind of problem, we surely add this thing.
Okay. I would like to suggest you about the nanotechnology where you can use more sensors in your device.
Yeah,
Like
but yes.
placing them at different angles.
Yes, but if we use more sensors, the power consumed will be also more. And what we want to make it, it's just simple device like a specs. If we add some more sensors, we can easily add, but if we add, it will become more weight. That is the main problems.
Yeah, yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Okay. Any other question, please?
हाँ मेरा कुछ क्वेश्चन था. हेलो रवि.
Yeah, hi sir.
Okay.
Are you comfortable in Hindi?
Yeah, I'm comfortable, sir.
अच्छा एक बात बताओ, जो अल्ट्रासोनिक सेंसर यूज किए हो उसके नीचे क्या है स्क्वायर में?
Yeah, it's a Pi camera.
कैमरा, स्पाई कैमरा?
No, Pi Raspberry Pi camera.
अच्छा रास्पबेरी पाई कैमरा, कैमरा ही हुआ.
Yeah, camera है वो. Yeah, sir.
हेलो. हाँ बोलो, डायरेक्शन के लिए अल्ट्रासोनिक
Yeah,
सेंसर यूज
please
कर रहे हो
repeat.
ना?
Please, I think वो कुछ बीच में there was a glitch.
अरे सपोज करो कोई ब्लाइंड पर्सन, एक तो ये ब्लाइंड को रास्ता दिखाता है, ठीक है?
हाँ.
और क्या करता है?
टेक्स्ट रीडिंग एंड फेशियल रिकॉग्निशन.
चलो काम करो, 1-1 कर लेते हैं, पहला वाला ही कर लेते हैं पहले.
या
ब्लाइंड पर्सन है, वो जा रहा है, ठीक है? अल्ट्रासोनिक
हाँ.
मतलब जो सेंसर आपने यूज किया है,
हाँ.
ह्यूमन बॉडी का जो साइज होता है वो 1 फीट होता है. और
हाँ.
ये सेंसर अगर उससे आप जा रहे हैं तो ये नहीं बता सकता कि मतलब कैसे क्या जाना है. समझ रहे हो ना? वो तो काफी बड़ा एरिया कवर करता है, तो कैसे आप लेफ्ट राइट वाला डायरेक्शन उसको दे रहे हो?
No, the range is 1 meter, 1 or 2 meter.
1 मीटर पे कोई मतलब वो एग्जैक्ट बता देगा 1 मीटर 1 सेंटीमीटर पे कोई ऑब्जेक्ट है.
हाँ, we just
लेकिन
fix
वो
the range.
हाँ मैं बोल रहा हूँ, ये मुझे पता है एक्चुअली. तो वो उसके बाद आप लेफ्ट राइट कैसे कर? मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूँ. सपोज करो सामने एक दीवार है, ठीक है?
हाँ.
और वो बता दिया कि 1 फुट पे कोई ऑब्जेक्ट है. अब आप बोले थे कि आप लेफ्ट भी बता सकते हो और राइट भी बता सकते हो. सिर्फ दीवार है, लेफ्ट में भी कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है, राइट में भी कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है. अब कैसे, मतलब ये तो फिर आप जो कमांड दे रहे हो राइट में जाओ.
It's a if condition in the coding. So if something
कंडीशन
is in the range,
मतलब कुछ ये तो यही हुआ ना कि फिर राइट चले जाओ. मतलब एक्चुअली तो ये लॉजिकली नहीं हुआ इसमें. समझ रहे हो कहने का मतलब? अच्छा मैं बताता हूँ. सपोज एग्जांपल, एक दीवार है सामने 10 फीट का, ठीक है? 10 फीट का दीवार है, लेफ्ट में कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है, राइट में भी कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है, ठीक है? लेकिन उसके सामने से 10 फीट के बाद में 2 फुट का कोई रास्ता है, ठीक है? जो कि अभी जहाँ पे जो आदमी खड़ा है उससे 5 मीटर बाद. समझ रहे हो? अब ये कैसे गाइड करेगा कि राइट जाके वहां पे कुछ है?
वो दीवार उस डिवाइस के लो पोजीशन में, नीचे में
नहीं, एकदम फ्रंट में और कम से कम 100 फीट ऊंचा है.
तो
कैसे बोलेगा कि राइट से जाना है?
या ऑब्जेक्ट वहां डिटेक्ट हो जाएगा. सो गो लेफ्ट और राइट because he can't go front side.
तो लेफ्ट और राइट वो आप कैसे देते हो? तो आप मतलब ऐसे मन से ही देते हो कि लेफ्ट.
हेलो,
मतलब जो लेफ्ट या राइट जो नेविगेट करते हो वो कैसे करते हो? मन से?
नहीं, डिवाइस को आउटपुट देता है ना.
डिवाइस कहाँ से आउटपुट देगा? कहाँ से आउटपुट देगा? डिवाइस को सिर्फ इतना पता है कि सामने एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, लेफ्ट में कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है, राइट में कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है, और कुछ नहीं पता है.
Because the sensors that are in the left and right are not in the range. Hello sir, I have fixed 3 sensors.
मैं कह रहा हूँ जो लेफ्ट और राइट वाला जो सेंसर है, हाँ, तो लेफ्ट वाले में कोई सिग्नल नहीं है, राइट वाले में भी कोई सिग्नल नहीं है. वो किधर वो भेजता है? ये कैसे, मतलब ये आपने किया है? मैं एक्चुअली काफी कुछ हेल्प करना चाहता हूँ ताकि आप इसको और बेटर यूज कर पाओ.
Yes sir. Actually
इसीलिए मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. तो मतलब यहाँ पे क्या करता है डिवाइस?
So on the object is only front side. No, left and right side are completely free. So
कंप्लीटली फ्री, वो
until
दोनों साइड जा सकता है,
दोनों साइड जा सकते हैं. The
लेकिन
device
हाँ
will
10
tell.
मीटर दूर, 10 मीटर दूर राइट में एक रास्ता है छोटा सा,
हाँ
जो कि आपका डिवाइस को नहीं पता है, क्योंकि उसके
हाँ
रेंज के बाहर है, और वो उसे भी इतना आइडेंटिफाई कर सकता है कि सामने ऑब्जेक्ट है या नहीं है.
हाँ
समझ रहे हैं?
हाँ
और दूसरी
sir.
चीज ये भी है ना, हाँ दूसरा चीज ये भी है कि वो मतलब कि सपोज करो कि फिक्स मतलब कि कितना 30 डिग्री पे एक एंगल बनाता है, जो अल्ट्रासोनिक सेंसर आपने यूज किया है ना, वो एक 30
हाँ
डिग्री का एंगल बनाता है, उस एंगल में कुछ है कि नहीं, वो सिर्फ ये करता है. समझ रहे हैं
हाँ
ना?
हाँ सर.
ठीक, ठीक है, इसके बारे में आपको कुछ टिप्स देता हूँ. और ये बताइए, ये और एक क्या इसमें वॉइस वाला है क्या, फेस
No
रिकॉग्नाइज?
no. Face and
फेस,
text.
फेस, ओके, इसके लिए आपने रास्पबेरी पाई यूज किया है.
हाँ
तो इसमें पहले से ही आप डाल देते हैं. सपोज करो अगर मैंने अगर ये खरीदा, तो मेरे जो भी फैमिली में या जिन जिन को मुझे पहचानना है, उनकी डेटा आप पहले
हाँ
डालते हो, राइट?
हाँ हाँ.
ओके. और क्या है?
Text reading.
टेक्स्ट रीडिंग.
हाँ
ओके, ये भी रास्पबेरी पाई से यूज कर रहे हैं इसको भी?
हाँ सेम. हाँ सेम.
ओके ओके, हाँ फिर तो वो सारा ऑब्जेक्ट, उसमें तो सारा ऑब्जेक्ट आप डाल सकते हो, नॉट ओनली टेक्स्ट, मतलब कुछ भी, कोई फ्लावर का नेम A to Z डाल सकते
हाँ
हैं.
yeah. Also colors. Actually we are just trying to add them also. Yeah. So
तो
सर
कोडिंग
अभी
करो
आपने
तो हो जाएगा.
हाँ सर अभी आपने बताए थे इस फ्रंट में दीवार है एंड लेफ्ट राइट
इस,
साइड completely free.
हाँ
Yeah. So a person gets up from his bed.
क्या
Hello
क्या फिर
sir.
से बोलिए, व्हाट यू सेड?
So a person get up from his bed.
हाँ ओके.
Yeah, he knows that he just walks front and gets the wall आ जाएगी वहाँ. So he know that there's the wall by the output. So he have to go
हाँ,
left or right. He also know right to his is his bed. So he will go to the left side. He will keep on going until the device tell go
घर
front.
में तो, घर में तो
हाँ घर
डिवाइस
में.
की भी, घर में तो डिवाइस की
या
भी जरूरत नहीं है, उसको पता है इतनी दूर बाद
हाँ
दीवार है, वो ऐसे ही चला जाएगा.
हाँ
समझ रहे हैं?
हाँ.
वो
बट
बात है.
अगर डिटेक्ट होने के बाद he can't go right side because he know right side he can't go. He has to go front side. So he will go left or other right. It depends on the location where he has to go.
नहीं बॉस, आपको मैनुअली वहाँ एक बस प्रोग्राम लिखना पड़ेगा कि हर बार आप लेफ्ट ही जाओ, या फिर फंक्शनली एक बार लेफ्ट गए तो अगली बार राइट जाओ. लॉजिकली तो यहाँ कुछ ये मिल नहीं रहा है कि लेफ्ट जाना है या
No,
राइट
no.
जाना है.
Until something is in the range, it will tell to go the free sides.
बोथ आर फ्री साइड नाउ, वेयर
Yeah.
इट विल गो.
Until the person goes to the end of the front wall.
If you will go front, still there is
No,
no
no.
in left, no in right.
He will turn. He will turn left side. He will completely turn his body to the left
So that
direction.
is the thing. That is the thing that you said. Like now your machine is not navigating here. People manually just turn to left, right? You are
No,
not
no.
navigating here. This
Yeah.
is the thing.
Okay.
Okay, just leave
Uh,
it. Use it
no, no.
here, camera.
It's
It will
actually
better.
interesting.
Use it here, camera. This
But
sensor will be
using
there.
the
This will be there. Okay. And like how you do this thing. Like if there is a move, like there is a thing that is moving, how you detect that? Suppose you are somewhere, like the blind person is somewhere and there is a movement, how you detect that? That is not like which sensor you are using, it's not detectable even.
movement like what kind of movement?
There is a cycle going, there is a person going, there is a car going.
If the car is going front left to right side, it means it's going from the front side. So it will tell go left or right because something is in front. If it's
Okay,
the
just
side is free.
okay, just wait. Okay, I am a blind person. I weared your
My device.
Sorry.
Sir, can you repeat?
Suppose in your front there is a highway.
Sir,
It's horizontal, not vertical. From left to right, there is a highway going left to right. Okay, and now he is going. Now if the car, if he has seen that there is nothing, you can go. Okay, but there is a car like coming from the left, right?
Yeah, so he's just going straight. and
Yeah, and
cars are
your
moving from left to right.
sensor is can detect up to 9 meter. Which sensor you are using, it can detect up to 9 meter. So in 9 meter, he have seen there is nothing. Okay,
Nothing.
and highway is maximum like 6 meter. Okay, and he is now going. There is a car is coming from the left. Okay, now his left sensor can detect that there is a movement. Okay, but he don't know its movement is coming to his or he's not coming. Like he can detect if the range is decreasing.
Yeah,
Then
he know. Yeah, he know that he's
can.
crossing the road. He may have some idea like he's crossing the road, or he may don't have the idea. But if something is coming
I'm
or
just
in
giving
the
you the
left
example,
side,
like the
he will
movement
just
example.
yes sir.
If there is a participant that's not like touched your left sensor, he's just coming from the in front of your 6 meter, coming something from left to right. So which device you are using? Like it's not like detectable if there is a movement thing. Can you understand? Did you get my
Yes
point?
sir, yes sir.
So for
If the
this you
movement
can
is
use.
coming closer, if the movement is coming closer,
It's not coming close. It's going vertically in your like front sensor. It's going vertically your sensor can't detect. It will still show the distance is 9 meter or 6 meter. It's still 6 meter because it's
until it
not
comes
coming
in
to
the
his cell.
yes sir. Until it
Exactly.
comes in the range, it will only
So for
detect.
here, yeah, no, it देखो हिंदी में बताता हूँ, ठीक है? तुम्हारे सामने 9 मीटर तुम्हारे सेंसर का रेंज है। 9 मीटर तक कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट आने से वो डिटेक्ट करता है, बताता है कि 9 मीटर पे या 6 मीटर पे कुछ है। अभी सपोज करो 6 मीटर के रेंज पे लेफ्ट से राइट कोई कार जा रहा है, तो जब लेफ्ट में था तभी वो 6 मीटर बता रहा है, जब राइट में गया, जब फ्रंट में आया तो भी 6 मीटर, राइट में भी 6 मीटर। वो ये नहीं बताएगा कि ये मोमेंटम है। अगर वो सामने से तुम्हारे पास आए तो बता सकता है कि रेंज डिक्रीज हो रहा है, कि हाँ भाई कोई मूवमेंट आ रहा है। समझ रहे हो अगर कोड करते हो तो? लेकिन जो लेफ्ट से राइट है वो तो 9 मीटर फ्लैट 9 मीटर पे निकल जाएगा, पता ही नहीं चलेगा। तो इसके लिए माइक्रोवेव सेंसर यूज करो, और उसमें
But
कस्टमाइज तुमको करना पड़ेगा।
yes sir. But the thing is it. Hello.
हाँ बोलो, सुन रहा हूँ, आई एम लिसनिंग।
Yeah, but the thing is, if I use some more sensors, the weight may increase.
That is like 10 grams. The sensor weight is 10 gram.
Microwave
Okay.
sensors.
Yeah. Yes. And like you can remove your body part and all that which you are using, and for like product finishing, I can guide you. You can do one thing: just polish your product. It's 3D printed, but it's not
Yeah.
polished.
Yeah,
Just
it's
watch
not
video
polished.
on you.
Yeah, yes.
Just
Ah,
watch
yes.
videos on YouTube. So you can do
Yeah.
it. And you know, na, it's very costly and it's time
Yeah,
consuming
it's
process.
somewhat
3D.
costly, like different
It's good
colors.
for a prototype. You have to make dies and all that.
Yes.
You aware about this?
Sir?
You aware about this? You have to for like dice and all that.
Yeah, not sure about dice, but about coloring, I
This is very
have
costly.
some
3D
idea.
3D is very costly. What is
Yeah.
the weight of your what is weight of your this module, plastic module? What was the weight?
I didn't remember the weight, but it's less than the mobile with the whole setup.
Mobile is 200 gram, like minimum.
It's
You can
less.
say.
It's less than the mobile.
How much approx?
Approximately, I too don't know
If
because
there
I
is a
didn't
100
guess.
gram, if there is a 100 gram plastic you use, so it will cost 700. And if you will make it with dice, it will only 20 rupees. And it will take only 10 seconds. And this 100 gram will take 24 hours or more than 18 hours in 3D. Okay.
So I will also try. Yeah, it can
You will
actually
try.
reduce the price also. Yes.
Yeah. The big thing is that is like uncompleted in your project. That is, it's only say that there is a like there is a only object. It will just say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
It can't
It
say.
won't
It
detect.
completely can't guide that go right and go left. It can't guide
Not
correctly.
completely. Not completely. Yes.
Okay, you can say 30% it can guide in some, like you can say now how it can guide. Tell me in which like give me a single example that it can write. It can say you that go right. Give me a simple example, real example.
Go right. Go right side for the right.
Yeah.
Going right side. Yeah, if
Yeah.
something is front and left side, like the
Yeah.
person is moving front side and there's a wall, and he then also it's a closed room and the person moves front, and the door
Okay.
is to the door is to the right side, and there's the
Okay.
also a wall in the left side. The device will tell to go right side. When he turns completely to the right side, the device will tell go front or right side again, because the wall is
Okay. You
left
said that
now.
you said he will turn right. The
Yeah,
turning right, that is not his work. It should be your device work, right? It
no,
should
no,
be your
if
device work.
yeah, we can also change the functions
Your
there.
device, the future is navigate. So navigate means you have to tell the person who using your device that you should go left and right. Just keep in touch with me. I will also like give you some suggestion and all that. This is very good thing if you can really make it success. And now you are in class 12, so you have huge opportunity to make it in next level and decrease this price from 4,000 to, it should be within
Yeah,
like 1,200. The 4,000 is too much for Indian
yeah,
economy.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, for like those who are blind now, uh for them this is really too much. Yeah, if you can make it 1,200, that will be much, like it will be best. And if you are giving it like 4,000 and more than like 10,000, so it should have that kind of feature, so people can like do with like they can use their daily life with your project. It should be like that, like, in that level, right? They can earn something kind of that.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Yeah,
So
keep
this
in touch
this is
with
your
me.
mobile number. Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah, I
Good.
just
Yeah,
leave
yes,
in
yes,
chat
sir.
section.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Anyone else have any question? Please.
Ravi,
Yeah,
Yes,
yes.
please.
hi, how are you?
Yeah, hi, sir. I'm fine. How are you, sir?
I'm doing good. I just want to know that you're only a problem solver or you're also an entrepreneur.
Yeah, I'm only a problem solver till now.
That's it.
I'm not even a registered startup. Yeah.
So that's
I'm
okay. I was.
I have contacted the yeah, yeah, I have
I,
contacted the people for registering my startup. Yes, sir.
Mhm. Because if you think, if you're in mindset that you're studying, of course, marks are important, but marks, if you want to really become an entrepreneur, then that should be the main focus. It's not that getting good
Yeah,
marks
it's
in the
only the
college.
main focus. Yes, sir.
Uh, So, and you
But
should
getting the
means, yeah, like if you
yes,
want to be a really, if you want to really make the, obviously you're solving the problem for blind people. So first, I want to know how you're going to approach them, how you're going to approach your customers, and how you're going to make a profit out of it. It's not just about solving the problem, right? You have to make the profit out of it. So how many blind people are there in the India, like in your state and all over India, and how you are going to approach them, and how you are going to do the distribution, how you are going to get the profit out of it.
yeah.
So
So
there would be. It's not just simply about solving a technical problem. It should also reach to the customers everywhere. And
yes, sir.
obviously, one device you can just put any cost, no problem in that. There are also I cannot categorize it as like a poor blind people or rich blind people. They
Yeah,
can buy any device. These days, any people can buy. Putting 5,000 to 10,000 to 15,000, they can buy it. It's not a big problem. Even mobile, you people are just buying it like anything, right?
yes,
Everybody have the mobile, so uh, you should concentrate more on touch and feel designing part, and obviously reducing the weight because they would be varying, right?
yeah, yes, sir.
So the touch and feel, and they should be happy to wear it. Like any person who is gifting it to the other person, like blind people, the person who
Yeah,
is
it should be
gifting it is
attractive. Yeah.
attractive also.
Yes,
But
I'm just
basic, it should not be very complex also. It should solving the basic things like just what you said, right? Turning this thing like reading the documents, watching it, like whatever the basics thing should not be compromised, and that's one thing. So you should not be, if you're just a problem solver, then not an issue. But if you are also an entrepreneur, I would suggest that you should start reading the good books on how to be an entrepreneur. Okay, and you have to digest that and start implementing it. And marks, now you're not a student. You should not go with the mindset that I'm a student and I'm in 12th class. You should remove that completely and just because that you are an entrepreneur, you should believe that. Anyhow, you have to get the marks, you have to pass, but you should not think about getting good score like that. That is what I suggest, like how you're going to solve the problem and how you're going to approach the many blind people. You have to go to the many blind people in all over India, right? So you should think like that, and like a leader and entrepreneur. That's it. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Actually, presently I have started contacting my the district blind hospitals. The institutes here told they only know few, so they suggested me to contact the health officers in the district. So I contacted them. They give me few lists, and then next time planning to go to Hyderabad and contact the NGOs there and show tell
good.
Tell about the device.
What books you're reading on entrepreneurship? What books you're reading on entrepreneurship?
Till I'm not reading any books on entrepreneurship, but I'm just watching few videos like how they maintain their daily routines and how they react to the problems.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm just I'm going to tell this device to the NGOs of the blind and the users of this, how this can work, how this can solve their daily life problem. If they like, they will surely use this.
Think about the profit also.
I have no idea about business, but I have to think there also. Yeah, for making few more devices, I have to maintain that also. For that, I will take help from my mentors and all.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Inder, yes. Inder, you want to ask anything? Or I think.
Oh, sorry, I was muted actually. Ravi boss, actually, I wanted to ask you, what is actually entrepreneur in like bit?
In my opinion, it's about making new things and making
not
new
Ravi
things.
Kiran. I'm asking Ravi leader. Sorry for that.
Okay. Sorry.
Hello, Ravi leader. Are you there?
You are muted actually.
Hello. Yes. Can you listen to me? Yes.
Yes. Now is okay.
आप कुछ पूछ रहे थे, पूछिए.
मैं पूछ रहा था एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप क्या होता है एक्चुअली. मुझे भी थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन है इसमें.
अच्छा. तो आप कंफ्यूजन के कारण पूछ रहे हो ना, और कुछ नहीं है.
और कुछ नहीं है.
एंटरप्रेन्योर जो वर्ड होता है ना, एंटरप्रेन्योर, वो हिंदी वर्ड है एक्चुअली. हिंदी वर्ड है अंतर प्रेरणा. उसको बोलते हैं अंतर प्रेरणा. वो संस्कृत वर्ड से आया था पहले, वो हिंदी में आया. नाउ इंग्लिश में आके एंटरप्रेन्योर हो चुका है. बहुत लोग यूएसए में है, यूएसए एंड अमेरिका बोलते हैं ना, अमेरिका में पीपल है, वो एंटरप्रेन्योर यूज करते हैं, लेकिन उन बेसिकली पता नहीं होता है एंटरप्रेन्योर क्या होता है, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप क्या होता है.
एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इस वर्ड का मतलब तो समझ गया, लेकिन एक्चुअली लोग मीन क्या करते हैं जब
अंतर प्रेरणा होता है ना. अंतर प्रेरणा जो अब प्रॉब्लम आपकी किस वजह से आपका जो स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट हुआ है, वो सोचना होता है. उसके बाद कौन सा प्रॉब्लम हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, और वो कैसे, जैसे अभी आप वो कैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे, कस्टमर तक कैसे जाएगा, वो प्रॉब्लम कैसे सॉल्व होगा, और उससे आप प्रॉफिट कैसे बना रहे हैं. ठीक है, क्योंकि आपके अंडर एम्प्लॉयज भी तो काम करेंगे, उनको पैसे सैलरी देना पड़ेगा आपको. ठीक है, तो
बिल्कुल मैं समझ गया.
चीजों के बारे में जाना होता है.
आपके वर्ड में कोई प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करता है और उससे जो प्रॉफिट अर्न होता है,
ये पूरा एक टीम होता है. जैसे अपना शरीर ले लीजिए, आंख एक काम करता है, नाक एक काम करता है, दिमाग एक काम करता है, और कान एक काम करता है, सब अपने बॉडी शरीर में काम करता है। तो एक जन सिर्फ एक काम करने के लिए नहीं होता, सबको काम करना पड़ता है। जब ठीक
बिल्कुल
ढंग से काम, जब एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का जो सॉल्व करना होता है ना, तो सब एवरीथिंग हैज टू वर्क प्रॉपरली। अदरवाइज वी कैन नॉट थिंक ऑफ जस्ट ओनली वन आई वर्किंग, सिर्फ एक ही आंख काम करेगा तो सब ठीक हो जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होता ना। तो सब
ओके,
कुछ
मैं
काम
समझ
करना
गया।
होता है।
मैं ये समझा कि आप ये कह रहे हैं किसी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करना और फिर उससे प्रॉफिट जनरेट
सब
करना,
कुछ
यही है एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप। सब लोग साथ में बराबरी करें, यही ना, सब मिलते जुलते या।
एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का एक्चुअल मतलब होता है अंतर प्रेरणा। जो आपके अंदर से जो आता है ना, कुछ करना है मुझे, किस लिए करना
ओके
है, दैट
ओके
इज वेरी
ओके।
इंपॉर्टेंट। अंतर प्रेरणा, सिंपल, आपको याद रख लीजिए ये
वो तो
बात।
हम किसी भी चीज के लिए कर
अं-
सकते हैं, वो तो खाना खाने के लिए भी अंदर से आता है। तो मैं एंटरप्रेन्योर थोड़ी हुआ कि मेरे को खाना
तो
खाना
उसका
है।
अंतर प्रेरणा थोड़ी हो, तो डेली का काम है, वो तो खाना खाते हैं, ऐसी ऐसी बात
तो
नहीं है।
आता तो, अच्छा ठीक है, चलिए आज मेरे को
देखिए,
आम
आपको
तोड़ना है,
आपको
वो तो
डिस्कशन
साल में।
करना है, आपको सिर्फ डिस्कशन करना है तो करेंगे, ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, घंटे भी डिस्कशन
नहीं,
करना है।
आपने जो कहा वो
लेकिन आपको
मैंने एक्सेप्ट
सच्ची में
किया।
कुछ कुछ सच्ची में
बॉस,
कुछ करना है, सच्चाई में कुछ
सच्ची में
करना है
मेरे को
बाहर आपको।
सच्चाई नहीं, मेरे को
आप
इसका, इस
नहीं,
वर्ड का
अच्छी
मीनिंग
बात है,
जानना था।
आप अच्छा क्वेश्चंस पूछ लेते हैं, अच्छा कर लेते हैं, वो अच्छी बात है, वैसे वो कोई बात नहीं है। आप बैठ के खाना भी खा सकते हैं, ऐसे ऐसे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ठीक है। लेकिन सच्चाई में कुछ करना चाहते हो तो सच्चाई में कर सकते हैं। जैसे कि
एक्चुअली बॉस, यहाँ पे दो बातें मैं समझा।
जैसे
एक
कि
ये,
आप खाना तो सभी खाते हैं, खाना तो बिल्ली कुत्ते भी खाते हैं ना, खाते नहीं खाते,
हाँ
खाते हैं ना बिल्ली कुत्ते। तो
हाँ,
वैसे ही वो तो सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे, वो कोई प्रॉब्लम देंगे तो सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे, करेंगे क्या,
तो
नहीं करेंगे,
पहला,
वो कैसे
बॉस
बनेंगे,
आपको मेरा आवाज
वो
आ रहा
कैसे
है क्या? आपको मेरा आवाज आ
वो
रहा है?
कैसे बनेंगे, वो सब हाँ, आ रहा है आपका आवाज। वो
मैं ये कह
एंटरप्रेन्योर
रहा
कैसे बने।
हूँ कि मेरा पहला स्टेटमेंट ये था कि किसी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करना और उससे प्रॉफिट जनरेट करना, या किसी प्रॉब्लम को मन से सॉल्व करना और उससे मन से प्रॉफिट जनरेट करना, ये एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप है। मेरा पहला ये था
जी जी
स्टेटमेंट।
जी जी
तो आपने
जी
इससे
जी
एग्री
जी।
नहीं किया, इसलिए मेरे को एग्जांपल देके आपसे क्लियरली
अरे
पूछना
बाबा,
चाहा।
आप
यहीं पे मैटर क्लोज हो गया। यही
अच्छा,
तो मैं आपको
एक
पहले ही मैं
एक
बोला, ये
हाइप
मैं पहले ही आपको बोला, आप सुने नहीं।
नहीं नहीं, शुरू में बोला ना
अरे
इन्होंने
मैटर क्लोज,
कि
ये
पैसे तो
मैटर
चाहिए
क्लोज करने की बात नहीं
सैलरी देने
है।
के लिए।
मैटर मैटर मीन्स की होता है, ठीक है, ये टॉपिक मतलब मैं समझ गया,
देखिए,
मेरा
आपको
क्वेश्चन का
लिख के
आंसर
दूं
मिल
मैं,
गया, आई एम
आपको
सेटिस्फाइड।
कुछ कुछ लिख के दूं, आप कहीं
नहीं
लेके
सर,
जाओगे, किसी को कुछ दिखाना है क्या
नहीं
आपको, मैं
सर,
तो लिख के
नहीं
देता हूँ।
नहीं, नहीं, आपने बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया। थैंक यू फॉर
प्रॉब्लम
दैट।
प्लस प्रॉफिट दोनों होना
हाँ
चाहिए,
हाँ हाँ, मन से होना
अदरवाइज
चाहिए।
नहीं होगा।
हाँ
मन तो होना ही
हाँ,
चाहिए।
मतलब
बिना
बर्निंग
मन के
डिजायर होना
काम नहीं
चाहिए
करेगा
किसी
कोई।
चीज की। हाँ, इनका कहने का मतलब था
जैसे
जिस
तुमने
चीज को
बोला ना
लेके
कि
बर्निंग डिजायर हो
मन तो
थोड़ा बहुत।
खाने का भी करता है, बट उससे प्रॉफिट
हाँ
जनरेट नहीं होता है।
एग्जैक्टली हाँ। तो ठीक है, कमिंग टू द पॉइंट, रवि, आप
Yeah,
इंफ्रारेड
yes,
कैमरा यूज कर सकते हो, दैट विल बी द बेस्ट।
yeah,
इसमें
yes,
क्या होगा ना, उसमें हीट सीकिंग मिलता है आपको, ये कॉस्टली पड़ता है, इसका प्राइस कैसे कम करना है ये काम आपका रहा, बाकी चीज तो अवेलेबल है सब कुछ। वो आपको बता देगा इतने नीचे ये है, इतने राइट में ये है, इतने लेफ्ट में ये है, और सारा लेफ्ट राइट वो सारा डेकोरेशन इजिली वो अच्छे से गाइड कर देगा। लेकिन इसका कॉस्ट बहुत आता है, अभी आप जाके यूट्यूब पे चेक करो इंफ्रारेड कैमरा, आपको ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे आइडियाज आ जाएंगे।
yes.
ठीक है, और फिर मेरे को कॉल करना, कल बात करते हैं।
Yeah, yes, sir. Surely I will call you.
ओके, थैंक यू।
Okay, okay, we
Thank
are
you, sir.
out of time also. So thank you very much, Ravi. So next week we'll have another guest, same time, same link. Thank you, everyone. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू एवरीवन एंड गुड नाइट।